Hi everybody, so I want to show you the next puzzle I did, and that was this one. So it's Life is a Beautiful Adventure, and basically we've got a lot of colorful things, and yes, a VW bus with Piece. And yes, I think that one will be not that difficult and fun because it's quite colorful, and yes, I would say let's do it. Okay, you guys, so that's Life is a Beautiful Adventure. And yeah, it is colorful, and we've got all this text in the background. And to be honest, those looked a little bit like Easter eggs when I did them. But of course, it is just, those are all the flowers, the leaves of a flower. Like this. Those aren't Easter eggs. It's the flower beneath. So yes. We've got the Bulli, so that's what we call the VW buses. So those are bullies, and yeah, that's it. It was a nice one. It was quite quick and colorful and fun. And if you like what you saw, you can hit the like button or consider to subscribe. And we will see us on the next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.